How to allow NSFW on Character AI. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can allow NSFW on Character AI. Character AI has policies in place that restrict NSFW content, but if you'd like to allow it, then first of all, you'll need to open your Character AI application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. In this homepage, here find the character whom you would like to chat. Once you tap on the character name, you will open their chat interface. Here now you can tap on this message text box at the bottom and there type in allow NSFW. Then tap on this airplane-like icon at the right side to send it. Now you will need to wait for the response from this character. You will need to request this character in order to turn the NSFW, as it also has restrictions on this content. After that, you will see you have successfully turned on or allow NSFW on Character AI. You can also check it by asking this character. And then you will see you have successfully allowed NSFW on Character AI. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.